Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log someone out of your Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your Instagram app and make sure you're signed in with the correct account where you would like to remove a user. And right over here, simply go ahead, tap on profile icon in the bottom right. Now tap on three horizontal icon on top right, tap on settings and privacy, and now you will find this kind of interface, right? Go ahead, tap on this option of account center on top and simply scroll a bit, and now simply tap on this option of password and security and simply scroll and tap on this option of where you are logged in. Now right over here you can see where we are logged in with our devices right over here. If you would simply like to log out, select your Instagram account first, and now go ahead, tap on select device to log out, select that particular device of yours, tap on log out, and you will be able to log out of that device including that user. Now next step would be simply for you to go back and go to this login alerts and make sure you have turned on the login alerts for your account in both in-app notifications as well. So whenever somebody tries to log into your account, you will receive a notification right over here, and you can simply choose to not allow the permission and they won't be able to get logged in. So that is how you can prevent. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.